take a leap of faith. We got a love that's worth the wait. Darling, you've been on my mind. Gonna love you to the end of time. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun.
Good morning. So we are in central Victoria today. We're just out for a sneaky overnighter with the dogs and the swags. I'll take you for a tour around camp in a minute. It's not forecast to rain, so hopefully it stays away, and we're just going to have a relaxing afternoon and night.
With your love I'd never be alone. There's only one thing I know for sure. I'm never gonna let you go. Come on, baby, what you waiting for? You and me could be so much more.
Oh no. Oh, I didn't get enough water. So today I'm in the 1400 with Scooby-Doo, and Zena's in the 1100 with Rick. I hope he behaves himself. Actually doesn't sound too good, does it? So Rick is in the 1100 with Zena. I hope she behaves herself. We've got the two cars today. There's poor old Neville Navarro. He's just about on his last legs, poor old thing. He's done over 400,000 Ks now. Yep. So yeah, but anyway, with two big dogs like you, there's so much stuff that we need to bring. So yeah, it's just easier to bring two cars, and we're not that far from home. So yeah. I can't believe you forgot our pillows. So I brought my new Lukey or Lucci solar powered lantern to try out tonight. It's really light. It's solar powered. You can also charge it via USB. It's 150 lumens and lasts apparently up to 50 hours, so we'll see how that goes. We've also brought our old school hurricane lantern to give it a go. This one's, well, when I say our old, it's actually new to us. We used to have a couple of these, but who knows what happened to them. And we also have an old tilly lamp that used to be Rick's mum's. That's at least 50 years old, but it needs something. I can't remember what it needs.
It's dried out, so we need to replace the O-rings and in the pump to pump it up.
Yeah, all that stuff I don't understand. So anyway, we'll give this one a go tonight. Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's see what we can find. Hopefully no snakes.
Something I've been dying to say. Honey, let's take a leap of faith. And I know you're the one. Our story's just begun. I'm never gonna let you go.
I'm doing these in cold oil. I don't know if that's going to be, the fire's going to be too hot though. I saw Harry do this on Fire to Fork, so we're going to give it a go. I'm nervous. Oh, I have no idea. Alright, let's see how it goes. Do they have to be covered in oil? I can't remember. Put our rusty old lid on. Badly needs to be seasoned. And we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's have a look at these, see how they're going. Ooh, they're coming along okay. Oh yeah.
Smells nice.
Let's make these burglars. These chips are some of the best I think I've ever made.
Mm.
How's yours?
Magnificent. Really nice. They're good, those chips.
They are, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
This is my view this morning. It's cold. Got a cold bum, buddy. Hey, you got a cold butt. Well, we're just about finished packing up. It's been a really relaxing overnighter. It's been so peaceful here. The weather was beautiful. It got really cold overnight, but you get that on the big jobs. If you've made it this far and without falling asleep, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you again, and we'll see you soon.